Want to keep your car in top-notch condition? Well, look no further, mates. We're diving into some nifty tips and tricks to keep your vehicle purring like a kitten. You see, proper car care is a bit like good health. It's all about prevention. We'll cover essential maintenance routines, unveil some clever cleaning hacks, and guide you through simple fixes that'll save your day. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a car care crusade. Stick around, and we'll turn you into a car care pro in no time. First things first, regular maintenance. It's the backbone of a healthy car and a happy wallet. You might be wondering, what's at the heart of regular maintenance? Well, it's 3 key tasks: oil changes, tire rotations, and brake inspections. Changing your oil is like giving your car a fresh drink of water. It keeps the engine running smoothly and reduces wear and tear. And you can do it right at home. Just remember to use the right oil for your car and always dispose of the old oil properly. Next up, tire rotations. This simple task balances the wear on your tires, extending their life and keeping your ride smooth. It's as easy as switching the front and rear tires around. Lastly, regular brake inspections are crucial for your safety. You can check the brake pads for wear and listen for any unusual sounds. If in doubt, always consult a professional. Remember, mates, a little effort now saves a lot of trouble down the road. Keep up with your regular maintenance. Now, who doesn't love a shiny, clean car? Let's talk about some cleaning tricks that'll have your vehicle sparkling like new. First off, let's tackle the interior. Start with a good vacuuming. Get into all those nooks and crannies under the seats, in the cup holders, even the air vents. Then grab a damp cloth and give all the surfaces a good wipe down. Don't forget the steering wheel and gear shift. Next, those windows. A simple solution of vinegar and water will make them gleam. Just spray and wipe. It's as easy as that. Moving on to the exterior. Regular washing and waxing not only make your car look like it just rolled off the showroom floor, but also protect the paint and prevent rust. Remember, a clean car isn't just about aesthetics. It's about maintenance and longevity too. With these cleaning tricks, your car will be the envy of the neighborhood. Sparkle on, you clean machine. Lastly, let's tackle those annoying little issues that can crop up. Don't worry, we've got some easy fixes for you. Squeaky doors, for instance, can be silenced with a squirt of WD-40 on the hinges. It's a quick, simple solution that can save you a lot of irritation. Burnt-out lights can be equally pesky. Before you rush off to the mechanic, check your car's manual. Often, it's a simple case of unscrewing the old bulb and replacing it with a new one. Minor scratches. A dab of toothpaste can work wonders. It's a mild abrasive that can buff out those superficial marks. Remember, these may seem like small issues, but tackling them promptly can prevent them from snowballing into bigger problems. It's all about giving your car the care it deserves to keep it running smoothly. And there you have it, mates. With these easy fixes, you're well on your way to becoming a car care superstar. So we've covered a lot today, haven't we, mates? We've explored the importance of regular maintenance, and we've shared some nifty cleaning tricks to keep your vehicle looking like new. We've also discussed easy fixes that can save you both time and money. Remember to take care of your cars, and don't hesitate to seek professional help when it's needed. Remember, a well-cared-for car is a happy car. Until next time, keep those engines purring.